Alright guys, welcome to the Hardwin82 channel. I'm Adam and today we're gonna talk about free software. Not any free software. We will be looking at good, reliable and most important free software. For everyday use, and in many cases this could be a great alternative for those good, known but pricey applications out there. This will be the first episode from new series about free software, so stay tuned for more. First program I'm gonna show you here is a LibreOffice. How many times I heard, I don't have a Microsoft Office, what to do? If you really want Microsoft Office, the answer is simple, buy one. But what if there is an alternative out there, an app that is very similar, do the same things, it's almost identical and for free? At least you should try it before you spend your money. LibreOffice is one of the friendliest and the fastest growing projects in the free open source software world. If you are a long-time hardcore user of Microsoft products, you will feel like home. Interface, toolbars, shortcuts, almost identical. LibreOffice is used by many people all around the world, also by big offices, enterprise environment. So, what are you waiting for? Download and try it right now. Another program I'm gonna represent here is one of those programs that you never thought you will be using until you do. You will use it once and now it's very important in your life. This program is called Space Sniffer. It's a small app that is measuring what is taking your space. This app will help you understand how folders and files are structured on your drive. After scanning your drive, you will get a visual representation what is taking your space. I will just say this, you will be surprised how big temporary folder can become. Or, like in my case, I found ISO files 4 GB each that I'm not using anymore. I gain extra 20 GB of free space only on one partition. So, what are you waiting for? Try it. Latest software in this episode is great, especially for those who just installed fresh Windows operating system. Your operating system is fresh, nice, but you need all those apps that you are using every day. Video player, PDF reader, web browser, messaging app, antivirus, the list goes on and on. Easily you can waste an hour trying to install all those apps. Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you Ninite. Ninite is a package management system offering users to automatically install popular applications for their Windows operating system. Just select the apps and with few clicks, let this app do the job for you. Pro version, paid version, is making also all the updates automatically as well. But this feature is mainly for enterprise environment. So...
What are you waiting for, huh? What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for?
Right guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Help me hack the algorithm today by sharing, liking or leaving the comment. If you have any questions, just leave the comment below, don't be shy. And yeah, that's it. Thank you very much and see you next time. Thank you.